Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we dive into a topic which holds key to our personal and professional success. That is learning, growth and development. So why should you make it your priority in life? Let's explore. Learning, my friends, is a lifelong journey, so that is something that can be improved. Embracing a mindset of continuous improvement allows us to stay ahead of the rapidly changing world. The more we learn, the more we are equipped to navigate new challenges and seize opportunities. Next on the list, we have that we need to adapt to the changing world and the environment. The world is evolving faster than ever before, and learning in that case helps you adapt to the change. Whether it is new technologies, industries, or societal shifts, being open to learning ensures that you can not only strive but you can thrive in the dynamic environment. Next, we move on to professional advancement. In the professional realm, growth and development are directly tied in career advancements. Employers value individuals who invest in skill and knowledge. Not just about having a job, it is about building a fulfilling and a successful career. Next, we have enhancing problem-solving skills. What happens is when you learn, it broadens your perspective and enhances problem-solving abilities. It enables you to approach challenges with creativity and innovation. And as we accumulate knowledge, we become more resourceful and better equipped to find effective solutions. When you find new solutions, you are acquiring new skills, and that knowledge gives you that confidence boost. The more you learn, the more you are going to believe in your capabilities. This self-assurance extends beyond your professional life that positively impacts your personal as well as your overall well-being. Learning is not just about a professional growth, my friends. It is about personal fulfillment as well. So when you explore your interest or something that you want to learn, what happens is you are acquiring diverse skills. That is adding a depth of richness in your lives. It is an investment in your happiness and that sense of purpose. In the world that is driven by technology and advancement, staying relevant is crucial, and that's my next point, that is to stay relevant. Learning ensures that you are informed about the latest trends, technologies, and ideas, and this prevents you from keeping you engaged in the world around you and not being really ignorant about it. As we move on, we have that we all face failure. So life is full of ups and downs. And learning helps you build resilience. When you face setbacks, the skill and knowledge that you have acquired acts as a foundation. This foundation helps you bounce back stronger and even more determined. So there you have it, the importance of learning, growth and development. It's not just a journey, it is a state of mind that propels you forward in all aspects of life. So remember, the more you invest in yourself, the greater are the dividends. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more insights into your personal and professional development, you must keep the learning going, growing and unlocking your true potential. Until next time, take care and keep growing.